On today's adventure, we're leaving our home state of Virginia to go to Great Wolf Lodge in Concord, North Carolina, which is located right outside of Charlotte. You will be able to join us as we go inside to the lobby to check in and then bring you guys on a tour of our kid cabin suite before heading to check out their indoor water park. Have some fun swimming in the summer, and we will be having dinner at Hungry as a Wolf Pizzeria and check out some of the other fun food options, and finally get you guys to join us for some of the other activities. As we left our home in the Piedmont region, smack dab in the middle of Virginia, we had about a 4-hour drive, and it was peaceful. It was a peaceful drive to get there, and as we got off the interstate, we noticed that there were a number of restaurants that were available to utilize if we wanted to. That does surround Great Wolf Lodge. They also have a mall nearby called Concord Mills, and it didn't take us long to find and arrive at Great Wolf Lodge. Once we pulled up, I realized that this Great Wolf Lodge charges you $20 a night for parking on a daily. When we pulled up, I hopped out to go in and check in at the front desk, and they were very helpful to explain all of the activities that were going on for the day. You can also download the app, which will help you in knowing what activities there will be available for the day. They also explained all of the different passes and what they have to offer. So if you're interested in that, definitely add that on as a package, whether you do it before or after. But I think that you can add a package for you and your kids or grandkids, and the more that you pay, the more activities there is to do. So hopefully after watching this video, you will know which pass is better for you and your kids. I got a room and 4 water park passes, and everything is good to go. So I went and found parking, and after finding parking, we made it to our room in 1010. Everyone's wristband has the ability to open the door, so we're just gonna pass these out. But first, we're gonna head inside and check out this suite. Now that we're inside, we have a kid cabin suite that has 2 bunk beds, as well as a twin bed, a TV over in this area for the kiddos, and it also has like a counter where you can wash your hands outside in case anybody else is in the bathroom. You have a refrigerator, trash can. You also have a microwave and a coffee pot maker. In the bathroom, you have the sink, toilet, and shower. You also get Great Wolf Lodge body lotion, and then you also get the shower gel and then the conditioner here that you guys see. We had a king-size bed. We also had dresser. If you were staying more than one night, you could easily put your clothes in there. Table with 2 chairs, and then this really cute, adorable lamp. The view from outside, because we were on the first floor, which is simply nice, you get 2 chairs and a table. And then you also get a pull-out sofa and a nice treasure chest for decor. But we're going to get ready to head down to the pool. After getting checked into our room, we put on our bathing suits and we ended up going to the pool. This indoor water park is simply amazing because there are 2 different places to eat at while you're in here. The kids can have access to different things. There are lifeguards on duty. It's 84 degrees year-round. Plenty of things for the kids to do in here. Plenty of seating for those who, don't want to partake in water activities, as well as, just enjoying yourself to sit down and eat. I will say that if you want to do other things, they also have gym mining, bowling, and plenty of places to eat at. This part is cold. Don't go too far though. What do you think about Great Wolf? After getting changed out of our swim gear, the hallways are cold, so I definitely suggest, cooling off with the towel in the 84-degree area because the hallways are cold and it could be a long walk back to the room like we had. But we went down to the arcade after we got dressed, let the kids have some fun, and then we ended up getting pizza from Hungry as a Wolf. You guys can see the menu here. They have some really great things. The pizza is absolutely good. We put our name up and it was being prepared. Now, yes, it does take a little bit, so if you use the app, you can check into that. We also went to Bear Paw, which is right next to it, and they have some really good things like drinks and cookies and ice cream and stuff like that. You also cannot use the app for Bear Paw because they want you just to, come and order it for yourself. So over there's gem mining, and then while Chuck was waiting on his food, I decided to go to the Tin Paw Alley, which is bowling, and it looks really fun, something to do. It is $25 for up to 6 people total to play. And so we just went back to the room to get ready to eat. We also could partake in Build-A-Bear as well as the gift shop, which is just simply what we chose to do the next day. You guys can get your ears from there. The pizza was really good, and it only cost a total of $21. The next morning, I woke up and went downstairs to check out their Dunkin', which is located on the main floor. So technically it is like the second floor. And so you just take these stairs if you're down on that bottom floor and head upstairs to Dunkin'. Now, yes, you can use the app to place your order to Dunkin' ahead of time, which is what I did. And then by the time I got there, it was easy to just pick it up. But I wanted to show you guys on the kiosk first, also how ordering works as well. So before we headed out that morning, I decided to go to the Buckhorn Exchange, which is the souvenir gift shop. Now, souvenir gift shop doesn't open up until 9. I wanted to give you guys a glimpse into what it looks like when you first come into Great Wolf Lodge. And it looks like this, really pretty, nice setup. And then you guys see Buckhorn Exchange here. To the left of Dunkin' over there is another eating spot. It's kind of like a buffet. We didn't get to go to that, and I didn't get footage of it. But once you go into Buckhorn Exchange, you'll notice that it's not only a souvenir shop, but it's also Build-A-Bear in the back. And so you just can go in there and get your wolf ears. Just let them know how many you need. I hope that you guys enjoyed this experience, and thanks for watching.